welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into a whole new definition of luxury travel with the 2025 Bentley Luxury Motorhome Camper. This isn't just an RV, it's a rolling manor, handcrafted with the same elegance, precision, and prestige that defines every Bentley. If you've ever wondered what a five-star hotel on wheels would look and feel like, this is it. From the outside, it's pure sophistication. The front grille is unmistakably Bentley, wide, sculpted, and proudly wearing the illuminated flying beehood ornament. The body is finished in a deep, metallic Mulliner green, with satin chrome accents, flowing lines, and subtle curves that make the entire vehicle look as if it's gliding even when parked. It rolls on massive 24-inch diamond-cut wheels, and the roof features retractable solar panels hidden within a polished aluminum trim. Soft closed doors, motorized steps, and automatic leveling all come standard, because of course they do not step inside. And it's immediately clear this isn't a camper, it's a mobile estate. The interior is hand-trimmed with the finest Beluga leather, sustainably sourced wood veneers, and knurled aluminum finishes that shimmer under customizable ambient lighting. The lounge features dual massage chairs, a crystal bar cabinet, and a retractable old entertainment panel. The craftsmanship here is no different from a Bentley Continental GT, just on a grander, more livable scale. The kitchen is elegantly hidden behind motorized walnut panels and includes induction cooking, a champagne cooler, and hand-cut glassware storage. The sleeping suite features a full-size Bentley-stitched memory foam bed, starlight ceiling, and even a fragrance diffuser system that matches the interior's natural materials. The bathroom? Heated marble floors, bronze fixtures, and a rainfall shower with an intelligent steam function, controlled by voice or touchscreen. Underneath all that refinement is a plug-in hybrid V8 powertrain producing 750 horsepower, giving this luxury motorhome effortless cruising ability and surprisingly quick acceleration for its size. It glides silently thanks to Bentley's adaptive air ride suspension system and active sound cancellation. With a full electric range of 120 kilometers and a hybrid range over 800, starting at $4.1 million. This isn't just a vehicle. It's an experience tailored to those who demand the highest standard in every detail. Each unit is custom-built through Bentley Mulliner, and when it comes to safety, Bentley includes Level 4 autonomous driving, biometric security, 360-degree LiDAR scanning, and real-time driver wellness monitoring. Would you take this palace on wheels across the country? Let us know in the comments. And for more luxury reviews and futuristic travel machines, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Only here on Future Drive.